Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to enter recovery mode. To enter recovery mode on your tab, firstly power it off. Once your tab is powered off, press and hold power button and volume up button until you see bootloader. Now, using volume up down button, navigate and select recovery mode. To exit recovery mode, press and hold volume up and power button. Your tab will now restart. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.